Hello friends, today we will discuss about framework or format of the activity sheet. Here are in our activity sheet there are total 6 sections. Section 1 is language study. In this section there is question number 1. There are 2 sub questions, question A and question B. Question A is for 8 marks. Question B is for 2 marks. Means section 1, question 1 is for 10 marks. Then section number 2, that is textual passage. Here is question 2. Here are also 2 sub questions, question A and B. Here are 2 textual passage for 10 marks each. Means section number 2, question number 2 is for 20 marks. Section 3, it is poetry section and it is question number 3. Here are also 2 sub questions, A and B. Question 3, A is read the stanza and answer the questions or do the activities. That is question A and that is for 5 marks, and B is for appreciation of the poem and that is for also 5 marks. Then section number 4 is non-textual passage and question number 4. A is for non-textual passage and that is for 10 marks. B is the summary of the same passage, that is for 5 marks. Means question 4 is for 15 marks. Then section 5, that is writing skill. Here are 2 questions, 5 and 6. Question number 5 and question number 6. In question number 5, there are also 2 questions, sub questions A and B. In question number 5A, there is A1 and A2 that is for letter writing. Formal letter or informal letter. You have to write only one letter and that is for 5 marks. Then question number 5B is dialogue writing or speech writing and that is also for 5 marks. Then in this section, 5 section, there is questions 6 and there are also 2 questions A and B. In 6A, there is information transfer. A1 is verbal to non-verbal information and A2 is non-verbal to verbal information. Question number 6B is expand the theme. Here is B1 is news report and B2 is story. And question number 6 is for 10 marks. Means question number 6A is for 5 marks and question number 6B is for 5 marks. Total 10 marks. Then last section is section number 6 and that is question number 7. There is the translation and that is for 5 marks. So these sections means section 1 to section 6 in our activity sheet, that is for 80 marks. So written paper is for 80 marks and oral is for 20 marks. So total 100 marks for this subject. For this subject means for English subject. I think you got an idea about framework or format of the activity sheet of standard 10 English paper or English subject. Thank you.